Hello y'all on YouTube, this is RobsNerdyknives. We got a special unboxing, something coming in from EKnives. Let's take a look and see what we got. Today I'm opening up my box with my Signature Series MSI, the mini one. Oh. Got all sorts of stuff here. Alright, so we have a knife. I guess we get a Band-Aid, some stickers, have a knife day, EKnives, very cool, very cool. Some Skittles, very nice. Always need Band-Aids. And what do we have here? Ooh, Microtech cloth. Oh, I like that. Look at that, Microtech. That's the LUDT. It's the auto version though. Alright. But what we have here, let's see. Microtech Signature Series. All right. Some of you guys wondering why was I selling some of my other things that you'll see here in a second. But here we go. Declaration of Authenticity. It's the LUDT. We've got the little signature there. And here we go. The LUDT in titanium frag. Nice. All right, so here we have the mini MSI and we have the LUDT. I do like this. I do need to get a Lynch Northwest clip because I believe this is still, yeah, steel clip. Now I had one of these already in the Tonto, but I really wanted this because I felt like the action was going to be better. I hope so. Tell you on the MSI it's flawless. So let's see. Do have some stick going on here though. We're a little off center. Okay. Interesting. So on my MSI, it does stop right there. And here you have that to stop at, but it is actually stopping right there. And you can see it hitting there. Yeah. All right, I think we'll just talk a little briefly about it, but we're going to be returning this guy. That is unfortunate. It does look pretty nice, right? I was selling the aluminum version, which I did not have this issue on, by the way. I thought it was pretty cool, but it's super gritty. I mean, wow, that is gritty. This is not a Signature Series. This is very, very disappointing. Holy cow. All right, so I'll just to be fair, the aluminum one was far better. It was dead nut centered. It was not gritty at all, even with the OEM cage bearings. I don't know if you can hear this, listen. Here. I'm gonna get close to the mic. Yeah, that is unfortunate. You can see the spot where it is at. You see right there? All right, so I will say, I thought for a while that some people were making it up, but it certainly seems like some of the quality, like that little nub is probably not tall enough to make impact to where it's supposed to be making impact here. So this is actually making contact here. So I stand corrected, guys. I stand corrected. It does seem like some inconsistency in manufacturing, but boy, this is not good. It's gritty. It is off to the right. Yeah, definitely off to the right. I mean, it's no blade play, so I mean, you'd have to try to bend it to make it centered. But it is the grittiest one I have yet, even the aluminum ones. And I've had 3 aluminum ones. Wow. It looks cool. Not quite as good as this one, though. This one looks far, far better. Yeah. And this one's more expensive. So you would think this was going to be a little nicer, but no. All right. All right. That's disappointing. Wow, it's just loud. Can you hear it? Oh, it's sticky too. Here, wait. Hear that? Wow. That's very disappointing. That's really, really disappointing. I mean, we'll take a look just so you can see it. I mean, it had the potential, right? Not as nice finish, I would have to say. Very disappointed with that. Not as nice finish at all. That's really, really, really disappointing. Wow. Okay. I don't know what to say. That's it. I'm not going to be using this. I'm not going to do anything with it. We're going to send it back. Going to reach out to EKnives. I hope they work pretty well with me. I would love to get another one. Like if they had a signature series of the M stitch, maybe we could try that. But I think I'm done with the LUDT. I think we're done. Until I find out something's better. But that is really, 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 really disappointing. Just trying to give you my honest experience. I thought some people were making this up. They are not. Matter of fact, let me grab this real quick. This is the one I'm selling. Yeah, listen to that. Now the spring is really tight on this one though. Wow. The finish looks a little better on this one than this one too. Wow, that is not great. Yeah. All right. I'm going to be honest with you. I'd say save your money. Just get the aluminum one if you like the knife. Right now, I would avoid the titanium one until we can hear whether this is going to be any better, but I cannot recommend this. I'm not even going to do a review on it. I'm not going to do anything on this thing. This is totally unacceptable for me. Gritty, off-centered, lock stick. We've got it hitting right there on the blade at the yeah, it's right where the choil is. If you do any sharpening, you try to, like if I was to try to smooth that out because it's a sharp point as I come up here, which I would do sometimes, I'm going to lose the very contact point, and then I have a feeling that blade would hit the backspacer. So, there you go. No recommendation on this one. There'll be no review on this one at all. So I'm just going to have to return it, and that's my thoughts on it. If you found this content helpful, interesting, informative, please consider hitting that like button down below. And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. Subscribing and liking the channel really helps out, allows me to produce more content, do more things, ultimately more things for you guys. So thank you to everyone out there who watches the videos, enjoys the content. I appreciate you so very much. If you haven't already, consider hitting that notification button so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. Big shout out to my channel members. I appreciate you. You do 2 amazing things for me. You encourage me by your membership, so thank you. And because of your memberships, you allow the channel to do things sooner than I thought it could. For instance, we could do once a week budget banger giveaways. Even if I'm gifted the knives, I still got to cover the cost of shipping for that, the milestone giveaways, the members giveaway, and I still put the money toward all of those other giveaways. So thank you guys. I really appreciate that. Small way for me to say thank you. I want to do 2 things for channel members, brand new channel members. Love to mail you a channel sticker and a little thank you note. So email me and say, hey, I'm a brand new channel member. Love to do that. Secondly, channel members are eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we do a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month we'll have 2 giveaways. Members can enter both. Members could win both. It's my small way to say thank you. If that sounds cool, there's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. Don't sign up if you feel pressured, but if you do, thank you. Thank you so much. Some of you guys are going to say, hey, what about the emojis you can use here in the live stream? What about the kazoo salutes, the anniversaries, and the exclusive content? There's that and more, always. Never enough, but small ways for me just to say thank you. Also, I happen to have an Instagram page over here at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.